quick reading for January the 29th to the 31st, Libra. We have the Chariot, the Emperor, and the King of Wands. So nakikita din natin ang mga movements dito, no? I think that someone here, medyo matagal-tagal na, no? Ang hindi pakipag-ugnayan sa'yo, whether this is through communication. So it felt like ito yung mga araw na parang bigla ito mag-e-effort, no? Makakakita din tayo dito ng effort na baka, no? Mag-travel ito just to see you, just to have a conversation with you and clear, no? Yung air. I feel like there will be an honest communication that's going to happen in here kasi yun naman talaga yung sadya, makipag-ayos, no? The Emperor in here, it's more of siguro this is magkakaroon kayo din ng agreement kasi si person meron na rin siyang idea how to make things work. So, pag sinabi niya to, yun nga lang, kailangan mag-agree ka. But anyway, communication is going to happen. With the Chariot, I feel like surpassing the challenges and whatever, you know, kung ano man yung mga nagawa ng mga nakaraan, it will be left, no, doon sa panahon na yon. So this is your quick reading for January the 29th to the 31st, Libra.
Predicting future is my purpose.